Hello my loves, and I better be focused, and welcome back to my channel. Today I just got out of work and I'm coming to you guys with a wig review. I just got sent this wig by It's a Wig, and they actually reached out and they were like, hey, do you want to try one of our rainbow wigs? And I was like, fuck yeah. Love It's a Wig. I wish they loved me enough to just give me all their gray units and just send them to me and be like, here you go, review all these gray units, see which ones you like. I received it a while ago, and I want to say like 4 or 5 days ago, but I haven't been able to, I don't know, review it. I've just been working hella long hours, if you can't tell by these bags right here. Yeah, don't try that at home, by the way. And ooh, what is this? Oh, and you know what's funny? I was just saying I would love to have a tote of just a random tote. Oh my goodness. Art of the Sleigh. Yes. She is rainbow. Well, unicorn. I'm sorry. So this is the It's a Wig. This is the It's a Wig unicorn color wig, and this is the wave, the body wave unit. There was like a straight sleek one, and then there's this one. I'm gonna go ahead, take off this wig. Get ready for ugly plain Evie, guys. Get ready. So ugly. She's packaged very well. The wig cap, I can tell you right now, feels, my nails are just going right through it, feels really nice. It's got a decent density, something I can kind of pull off because I don't have thick hair. It's beautifully long. It's about 24, 26 inches. There's some shedding. I haven't cut the lace yet. There's a gradient from a pink to a baby purple lilac to a baby blue teal into the green gradient to a darker green into the yellow, which, yes, I'm about that neon yellow. And these are all neon colors for the most part. And then you got the pastel colors on the top. You do have some baby hairs here, which of course you can rock it when you're like, whatever. The lace on it is actually like a brown lace, which is beautiful for women of color, men of color, whoever wants to wear this wig, okay? And I think it would actually be nice. Some people do like the darker lace, which I think it's cool. I'm not complaining. I could just, of course, throw on my powder. It does look dark on the root. And let's see here. Oh, it has two small combs in the front. It's got the part, which I'm wondering if I can shift the wig. It doesn't have ear tabs, so that to me is saying that I can shift the wig without being uncomfortable. Sometimes I fold in the flap, but anyway, it has a comb in the back, which I like. It has a two adjustable straps, and it has the tracks on it, which is great. Let me cut the lace. Try not to get into the baby hairs, and I'll be back. Ooh. Okay. All right, she feels snug. Well, shit. I feel like the density is perfect for me because I don't have a lot of hair, and I feel like just trying to figure this out here. This is that type of unit that you need to use gel. All right, I'm gonna take off this sweater. My shirt's a little dirty because I was eating tacos. Don't fucking judge me. This is a really beautiful wig. Very colorful. Very Halloween friendly. Very cute. Or whatever. She's long, guys. Long. All right, let me show you guys the back of this wig. And then I'm going to tweak it. Or whatever. Right off the back, I can see the tracks. I've had wigs like this. She's cute though. But again, she's not dense. The density on her is pretty, like maybe like 100, 125% density. So she is long, baby. So my ass is right here, all this fluff. See how cute I look if I was cinched in? But anyway, neither here nor there. So she hits right up to the ass, which is fine. We're gonna shift her. What's usually my good part? All right, so how I would finagle it is I would bring it down more and glue it down, set it down, and then take out some baby hairs and kind of finesse it. She is really cute wig though. Definitely finagle this wig and make her look amazing. I've seen the girls do it. I'm gonna go ahead and try to powder her. The density on this is not thick at all, which is something I can vibe with because again, my hair naturally isn't thick. So this is something that I would feel look more natural on me. She's cute. I love the wave. The wave is definitely something that I would prefer. I shifted it to the side. I'm taking out. All my dark hairs are just being rude right now. Of course, I can do like the whole baby hair thing and just take it out. I can put, finesse it with a wig cap and kind of glue down, like kind of change my hairline and bring down a natural colored wig cap, kind of glue it on, meaning just using gel and let it set, and then place the unit on top, over top of it, which could definitely work. I kind of wish there was a dark root to this because it would be so much easier to blend with the pretty much anybody that has dark hair like this, which is fine. I could definitely finagle a wig like this. I've done this many times before. I don't have the time or patience for it right now, but I like this set of colors right here, and I wish there was a wig with just those set of colors. Definitely finesse it and rock it a little bit better. It's not doing a very good job. So you can bring down the ear tab like that and kind of glue it down using some gel, and then kind of finesse the baby hairs so they're like going into the face. Definitely do that with pretty much any wig. It's just with wigs this vibrant, you're gonna come across some trouble. Someone might consider even darkening, like giving themselves like a dark root, which I actually don't think would be a bad idea. I really don't want to tweak that the wig like that in the sense. And right now I'm just pulling at hair to see if there's any more shedding, and I'm not getting any more shedding. Yeah, I'm not getting any more shedding, which that's a plus. I'm gonna go in with the powder that I use periodically, and this is the Bodyography powder. It doesn't say a shade. I don't know what shade this is. I got this in a box one day. Oh, this one is in Honey Beige, and this is the Plex powder, whatever. I don't think it matters. I always leave everything linked down below that I would recommend for using for your wigs. So I'm gonna go in. Trying to make this part look a little bit more natural. And with a wig like this where the roots are so pale and my brows are so dark, it's really hard to make it very believable of this wig. It is. I'm actually gonna try to see if I can. Ew, I'm so itchy. You know, at the end of the day, you just want to take off your hair and your pants and go about your business. I personally like the, well, this part's not bad. Again, I would rather add like a dark root to it so it matches this right here instead of me having to put a cap on and glue her on. I just like the shake and go, let's go, let's not worry about it. This wig is definitely more just for fun and something just to change up your look for a little bit. If you're going out to the club, if you're going out to a party or whatever, you just want to be sassy and pretty and extra just flirty and colorful. This, I love the colors for this wig. Again, I don't know how I would want to finesse this wig. Anyway guys, this is pretty much it for my overall thoughts and review on the It's a Wig unicorn wig in the unicorn body wave in the unicorn color. I've said a unicorn like 45,000 times. So yeah, this is pretty much just my overall thoughts and reviews. I really do love her. I think she's cute and flirty. And of course, I know that there's got to be a lot more work put into it because I want to make it look more natural. But I do find her really fun and again, flirty. And I'm down to wear her another time when I have a little bit more energy to just kind of clean up my edges and make it look like she popping, okay, out my hair. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. Please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.